This home, she's amazeballs. I'm Tristan with Mindful Living Realty, and we're in one of my favorite subdivisions, Countryside South.
Here we go, we're at 5299 Conifer Lane in Rapid City. This 4,135 square foot home sits on 0.50 acre corner lot. Not to mention a pretty stellar back deck and playground that any kid would love. Inside you'll see tasteful updates throughout, featuring modern finishes, elegant fixtures, and an open inviting floor plan, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining.
This kitchen has everything you want. Nice big breakfast bar, solid surfaces. You got some open cabinets and some closed cabinets, even behind you some glass cabinets. All the room and space you need for whatever. And a real life, not stuck in the basement somewhere, laundry room. This upstairs bedroom is perfect for what I wish I had when I was a kid. I mean, come on.
Upstairs, in addition to the primary suite, is 3 bedrooms, each with their own walk-in type closet.
Big old primary suite with its own fireplace, TV, and soaker tub. Oh, can I get you, mate? Yes, it's Pip Cow. I didn't have a Ashen Temple.
This walkout basement has a comfortable family room, bathroom, and additional bedrooms or flexible living space that can be great for home office or workout area.
Did you notice there's 3 total gas fireplaces in this house to create ambiance no matter where you're at? In fact, this house is so nice and so cool, I guess I can even look past the fact that they're Green Bay Packer fans.
This 3-car garage is nicer than my house. Yeah, this home blends luxury, comfort, and functionality in a truly beautiful setting. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about the Countryside South neighborhood. I love the look at this boulevard right here with the path winding through. As I mentioned, the homes in this neighborhood are built mostly in the 1990s. They're on about a 0.5 acre lot. On these bigger lots, you get some that are a little more meadow-like with some nice accented trees, and others that are backed up to some Black Hills trees. So great mix of variety here in the subdivision. All the homes here are at least 3-bedroom, 2-bath properties between 2,000 and 5,000 square feet. And all have at least a 2-car garage, with many having 3 or even more car garages. I've got a kind of a special relationship with this subdivision. Back in the 90s, when the subdivision was built, I was working as a hardwood floor installer, and we spent multiple weeks in this subdivision installing hardwood floors. You're also not far from the schools in this subdivision. Your elementary students will go to Corral Drive Elementary, which is under 10 minutes away, and right next to Corral Drive Elementary is Southwest Middle School. Your high schoolers will go to Stevens High School, and while you have about a 5-minute drive outside of what you might consider town, all the services that you need are less than 20 minutes away. Just down the street on Sheridan Lake Road is the Athletic Center. That includes a tennis center where they're playing pickleball. Along Sheridan Lake Road, you've also got Aspen Ridge Landscaping, which has some great trees and landscaping equipment, as well as a plant shop, and watch out, they do some fun events many times during the year. Plus, you've got a big, huge storage building, and the apex of the area, the corner pantry, gas station, convenience store, and Subway, where we spent a lot of lunches many years ago. As you get into town, there will be dentists, strip malls with food, yoga, financial services, and wings and rings. Plus more medical services, Domino's Pizza, and drive-through wine. Then there's a car wash, and guess what? More strip malls with meat markets, liquor stores, salon and spas, and more. Down Catron Boulevard is the Walmart Supercenter with pickup and delivery, with more stores and services next door, including Rapid Wash Car Wash and gas station. Your nearest grocery stores are in the Bacon Park Shopping Center, where you'll find Family Fare, Safeway, Hardware, and Walgreens.
This one's listed by my good friend Tim Holt with Center Realty. But don't give that guy a call. Give me a call.
Showering, 2% washing, 8% signing, and 9% winning from fake arguments. That's about right.